2 of rotations for geometry. So you see the shape right here. It tells us to rotate it 180 degrees. Well, for 180 degrees, if we have a point here and we rotate it 180 degrees, we're going to put this on the other side. I'll go from here to here, that would be counterclockwise. But if you reset it back to where it was before, and we rotate it if you rotate it 180 degrees the other way, we're still going to get the same result. So if it says counterclockwise or clockwise, it doesn't really matter because it's still going to be the same results. So here's a shape right here. We're going to have to find the coordinates because, we're going to have to find the coordinates so we know where it is. Then we have to rotate that 180 degrees and do the new shape on this grid. So let's insert these into the coordinates onto this graph. Okay, so here's the shape right here. We're going to have to number them, or actually letter them, so we know which is which. It's useful to letter them so we know which side is which. Okay, so we're supposed to rotate this 180 degrees. Any direction, because you're still going to get the same results if you do any direction. So we're going to rotate this 180 degrees. 1, 2, that is 180 degrees. Rotate this. Almost there, and woo! We did it! We rotated 180 degrees, and you notice that this is a bit different. The A, that would be negative 2, negative 1. That's our new one. So negative 2, negative 1. For B, negative 4, negative 1. For C, negative 5, negative 4, negative 5, negative 4. It was supposed to be like that. Actually, for C, it kind of seems like it's negative 5, negative 5. And for D, that will be negative 1, negative 5. So we have moved this shape and rotated 180 degrees. The reason why you have a prime is because this was the original shape and that's the new shape right there. So you just solved your first rotation. But in the next video, which is part 3, this won't even be here because I'm going to have to give Mrs. Sullivan back because my math teacher, Miss Sullivan, needs this back tomorrow. So I'm going to give you an awesome strategy to figure out tomorrow. Have a nice day, and thank you for watching Taoping Airlines Math Industry.